I got in the mail from Creative Memories. So excited. This is my first box getting ready for my first party. So let's see what's inside. So excited. Here we go. Okay, I know I got some things from our party. I got another little box too. So, let's see what's in there. Catalogs! I'm so excited about this. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, I have not seen a catalog yet. This is my first one. It's thick. There's a lot in it. So I'm really excited about teaching the 4 easy ways to scrapbook. So these are all catalogs. Okay, good. I've got customer order forms, so that's good, and they have duplicates. And then these are pocket pages. Let's look at those, because I wanted a good example of how to do this kind of album, and it's going to be really easy. So these are, oh, perfect. So this you can put 5 4x6 photos in, or you can put 4 and have a journaling box, which is what I recommend, because I like you to put all your heart into your scrapbooks, and that's where you can do it as writing your love to your family. So these are fantastic. Then I got another little box, and I know this is my photos.
I'm excited to see what these pictures look like from Creative Memories, because I read all the reviews and they're supposed to be excellent, high quality, professional looking photos. So let's see what they look like.
They come in a nice clear plastic box, so I like that. And they slide out. Oh, these are good. This is my granddaughter. Oh, I love that. Okay. Oh, and here's the other one. Oh, these are so sweet. These are from the fall. Oh, these are adorable. Oh, they're so cute. Look at that one. Okay, so anyway, these are really good quality from Creative Memories. So that's that. I wanted to share with you real quick, if you're interested to become a Creative Memories advisor. The reason I joined is because I love scrapbooking, I love being creative, and I love photos. So those two together are Creative Memories, and the reason I love them is because of their good quality products. I've used their albums for quite some time. I've got some back here. But they have, their album covers have a lifetime guarantee. So I love Creative Memories. And right now, if you join by July 31st, 2022, you pay $49 to start, you get $50 credit. So that's free to join. And then you get a percentage off anything you buy. And then, if you join before July 31st, you get a free album cover, which this one is super fancy. And it, I got this in last time. Look at the sparkles. This is $38 if you buy it outright. And so it is just gorgeous. Anyway, it's for free, and so they're paying you to join right now by July 31st. So it's a really good deal. And here's what it looks like. It's just gorgeous. Can you see the sparkles in it? It's really pretty. Lifetime guarantee. So anyway, if you do join, you can join under me. We'll build our teams together. I'm Carolyn Issa, ISSA, and you can click on my link to my Creative Memories site below in the description, and that will take you straight to my site and you can join from there. So anyway, if you like to, if you don't, just enjoy your scrapbooking. And for your family and friends, always put all your heart into your scrapbooks.